Spending hours reading the same notes but remembering nothing? You're not alone. What if I told you there's a smarter way to study, one backed by science? Let's dive in. Most students rely on rereading and highlighting, thinking they're learning. But studies show this is the least effective way to retain information. Instead, let's explore 3 science-backed methods that actually work. A 2013 study by Karpicki and Blunt found that retrieval practice, active recall, significantly improves long-term memory compared to passive study methods like rereading. Active recall is a game changer. Instead of passively reading, try recalling key concepts without looking at your notes. It forces the brain to retrieve information, strengthening neural connections and improving retention and memory. Ever crammed for an exam and forgot everything the next day? That's because cramming doesn't work long-term. Instead, use spaced repetition. Hermann Ebbinghaus's forgetting curve, 1885, shows that we forget information rapidly unless we review it at spaced intervals. Spaced repetition strengthens memory over time, reducing the rate of forgetting. Apps like Anki and Quizlet use this principle for flashcards. Reviewing material at increasing intervals helps move information to long-term memory. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. That's the Feynman Technique, teaching a concept in your own words. Studies on the protégé effect show that teaching a concept to someone else improves understanding and memory retention. When you explain a topic in simple words, your brain processes the information deeply, reinforcing learning. Use the Pomodoro technique. 25-minute study, 5 minutes break. Study in a distraction-free zone. Use visuals and mind maps for better recall. Francesco Cirillo developed the Pomodoro technique, and studies show that working in focused intervals with breaks improves productivity and prevents burnout. Short bursts of focus enhance concentration and reduce mental fatigue. Now you know how to study smarter. Try these hacks and come back to this video and give your reviews. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more learning hacks.